everyone! Today, let's get to know more about the animals. Elephant. They have a gray body, big ears, small eyes, a long trunk. Giraffe. They have a long body, long neck, long legs, small ears. Tiger. They have orange and black hair, long whiskers, small ears. Panda. They have black and white hair, a fat body, small ears, a black nose. Snake. They have a long body, long tongue, no legs, no hair.